We have been staying at the beautiful Panel, a farm 2 hours away from Cape Town. We have been seeing some crazy sunsets and have been traveling to Stellenbosch, Franschhoek and of course Cape Town itself. The Cape Town vibe is something else, and I advise everyone to experience this place themselves. We also went to Robben Island, the island where the legend Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years of his total 27 years of imprisonment.
We will rise up like giants stand tall, mountains will move and towers will follow.
There's Mr. Mandela, Mr. Nelson Mandela, a free man.
The fact that Nelson Mandela was released in 1990 when the Apartheid has ended shocked me. 1990 is only 31 years ago from the time of making this video, and as a 22-year-old I'm shocked to have almost lived in a world where apartheid was still active. Hearing this made me realize how important the Black Lives Matter movement is, because while some of us feel like the black and white apartheid is long gone, and while the history of slavery as we have learned it in school seems to be hundreds of years ago, the consequences are closer than we think. I believe Generation Z has the power to make this world into a more loving one, where we respect, admire and accept our cultural differences and try to learn from each other. We shall not try to find the truth, because there is no truth. There's only experience and perspective. I've been staying in the Western Cape for the past 3 weeks. I spoke to many people from different cultural and financial backgrounds. I'm happy to say how everyone is trying to do their best. The one thing I learned from my time in the Western Cape is that the minority fucks it up for the majority. And while the plan was to leave after 3 weeks, I'm happy to say I extended my stay in South Africa for 4 more weeks. While the wine fields and the landscapes of the Western Cape are stunning, after 3 amazing weeks, it's time for me to go on a real South African safari experience. I'm so excited about this.
Yeah.
Nice.